Okay, so we actually started having a conversation because you handed me a flyer for the BBW travel.
Yes.
A trip to Cabo, which is later this year. We've actually have a video on all the bashes, and we mentioned the New Orleans trip also,
Yes,
as
in
well
April.
as the Cabo trip. So, can you tell us more about BBW travel and what to expect on the Cabo trip?
So BBW Travels was founded by Bella, or I think it was founded by someone else, but she took over the name and she just made it blossom and turned it into something absolutely amazing. People see BBW Travels as Big Beautiful Women, but it's transformed its name over time, and she changed it to Big Beautiful World, which in the future it's going to be changing its name again because the word BBW is not really accepted, and it's getting more
Google
negative.
It comes up very adult.
Yes, it's changing.
It's very
so
adult.
where what used to be positive, now we're trying to steer away from that word, but it's pretty much a vacation that she hooks up for everybody that is about coming as you are and not having to be someone you're not, plus size, straight size, enjoying yourself. You can do as little or as much as you want, but mainly just being around a bunch of people that will accept you and you will not be judged for who you are, size, shape, or color.
So the funny part is I've actually been on one of the BBW travel trips. I went to Jamaica. I don't know if you went
I
to
did too.
Jamaica. Yeah, Jamaica was a great trip.
Was.
And the funny part was I got to wear swimsuits that were, I guess, scandalous.
Yeah.
For 7 days and didn't care, and the resort is not just plus size people going that weekend, so it's just a open, friendly, accepting environment. So if you are looking for a trip to go to and you want to go with a comfortable group of people, because before you go by yourself and you want to sort of be comfortable, it's a great group to go with, and you should go.
I want to add on that. Jamaica was actually my first trip, and touching back to what I said earlier, I was very shy, very timid at first. I knew Bella, just a few people, but I kind of just stuck to myself, and I actually had brought a friend on that trip that actually was a damper on my parade.
Oh.
And it really just pushed me out of my comfort zone again. I just walked up to some people and started talking to them, people that were within the group, and ever since then they've been like family. We went to Punta Cana last year and I won first place in a tour contest.
Nice.
Out of the whole entire resort. And it just goes to really show you like what you can do, that there's no limits, and
you can travel, you can have fun, you can do all those things at any size.
And so BBW Travels is just being around positive people all around, for sure.
Okay, so we have 2 more questions.
No problem.
Android or iPhone, and why?
Neither.
What?
I'm one of those.
What kind of craziness is this?
Wait. So I know there's this whole stigma or feud between iPhone and users and Android users. Android. See, but I've had both, and I just feel like I was team iPhone for the longest time. iPhone. And I just switched maybe a month ago. Believe it or not, I was with Android for about 3 years, and I used to try to make that switch to Android. But I will say Android is ahead. Always. They will always be ahead. So, but the reason why I stuck with iPhone is just because it was just easier for me to just do what I gotta do. But when it comes down to quality and camera and everything, Android.
Oh, okay. So we're winning.
I'm kind of thinking about even going back.
This is being filmed on the Samsung, and if Samsung wants to give me some kind of money or marketing or send me stuff, I totally will accept that.
Right? Oh, not to mention that
we will both accept all the
iPhone
things.
parts use Samsung parts.
The horror of it all.
I think they work together, but I heard, sorry.
It's okay, as long as they can hear us. This is the microphone if you're like, why is this random circle here?
I'm like, I don't want to mess it up.
So, no. I'm sure I'm going to bop it and hear it, but we're fine. Okay, the last question, it's a fun question. So there's a game called, not Murder, Death, Kill, but Married and Sex and something, but I need to stop explaining that.
Oh boy.
So I'm going to give you 3 celebrities.
Okay.
And you can either marry, date, or friend them.
Okay.
So it is The Rock,
Okay.
Idris Elba, and Jason Momoa, Aquaman.
And you said who's in the middle?
You marry, friend, Idris Elba.
I don't even know who that is. Uh-oh. Can I Google his picture and see what he looks like?
We're going to take a moment while she Googles Idris Elba, who she doesn't know who he is.
Maybe I don't
This
know.
is the best part of the video.
Hold on.
For those of you who know who Idris Elba is, please comment down
How do you
below.
spell his name?
ID.
Oh.
This is hilarious.
Oh, him. Okay.
Do we need to Google the other 2?
Oh, well, hey.
Oh! Now she's interested.
No, I know who The Rock is, and then
Jason Momoa.
I forgot what he
Momoa.
looks like.
I hope if he's watching, which I'm sure he's not, is going to be like, why can't you get my name right? Who would you marry? Let's start with there.
Who would I marry?
Struggle is real right now, folks.
Wow. Okay. Well, the
It's a
variety
challenge.
she gave me, because I will say none of them are my type.
Really? Okay, so I don't know what's gonna happen. It's anybody's game at this point.
Right. So I think
Who are you marrying? Who are you friending?
I'm friending The Rock.
Wow. So just so you know, the interview I did before this, he also got friended.
Really?
Yes.
He's cute,
He is. I found him very attractive.
but I'm bored of him now. He's old school. I grew up with him when he was on WWF,
Yes.
and that's when he was like the hot stuff. And now
Okay,
I'm
so
like,
he's not hot.
And you know
hot.
what? I don't know. So I guess okay. So I mix with half black, half white, but I never date white guys.
I don't think any of them are white.
Is
Now that I think about
Is he
this.
not?
No, he is Polynesian. He's Polynesian, and we will probably do some kind of background on, and there'll be a comment down below to say exactly what Jason Momoa. No, that's Jason Momoa. You're talking about The Rock?
Okay, well, I'd marry Jason.
We're marrying. How about we keep things in focus?
Right?
Jason Momoa is bae, apparently.
He's got a rugged look, and I like the rough, scruffy look. So
Rough.
that was an automatic one for me.
So if you're trying to figure out, are you single? Can we put that on camera? Oh no, we shouldn't put. So
I'm
if you're
single.
Jason Momoa this is you. This is you right here. Okay, so that means you are dating Idris Elba.
Yes.
And apparently just using him for sex. I don't know. I would do that.
Why not?
not
We
seeing the
deserve to have
downside.
fun too.
We're about that life.
Yeah.
There's going to be eggplant on the screen somewhere when we have this video.
Right.
Right here.